Welcome, CRO family. Thanks for joining me today, April 17th, 2024. Subscribing, liking, commenting, and pressing that notification bell is very appreciated. This supports your investment. Now let's compare from yesterday's metrics. The price today for your coin is 12.0 cents, down 1.85% with volume down 32.59%. The price is ranging from a high of 12.8 cents and a low of 11.9. CoinGecko is showing a market cap of 3,219,872,000, which is down, and a trading volume of 15,142,000, which is down. Etherscan is showing 309,562 holders, up 55. CoinGecko shows the top 3 exchanges by volume are number 1 Crypto.com with 40.28%, number 2 is Gate.io with 12.01%, and number 3 OKX with 9.9%. For our social presence on X, our main account has 2.8 million followers, and our main Reddit channel has 205,000 members. I hope everyone watching today is living their best CRO life, and I'll see you tomorrow. Au revoir.
Quickly before you go, can you predict tomorrow's price? Let us know in the comments.